Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to show you guys my unboxing of my Nutrition bundle. Then I did not purchase a specific bundle off the website, I just made my own. Anything that I wanted or thought I might want or like, so let's just dig in. So this beauty starts from within, and this is just the daily clean. Here's your skin and body from toxins. It has green algae and detox herbs. Next, we have base control, and it's carefully selected essential nutrients just to cover the basics, and it has 22 vitamins, minerals, plus iron. The next is private party, and this is just supports vaginal and urinary tract health. This one is a little heavier. So we have Omega, the Great, or Oh My God, and it supports even skin tone and healthy heart and body, and it's just ultra fine omega-3 fish oil. And this is 60 soft gels, no fishy aftertaste, and you take 2 a day. This one is a little lighter. This is Big Chill. It helps you cope with stress. And then it has this root extract in it, and it's just 1 a day. Then we have Wingman, and it supports liver detox. It has milk, dandelion, and artichoke leaf, milk thistle. And then you just take 2 capsules a day. And Über Energy, these boost energy through adrenaline support, and you take 2 a day. Okay, so you take 1 capsule a day, and this is air control, supports immunity, and has vitamin C in it. This one says got the calcium. You take 2 a day, and it's for strong bones and teeth. And easy absorption for vegan, calcium plus D3. And the last but not least set of vitamins we have here is, here comes the sun. It's a D3 without UV damage. You take 1 a day. This is a free gift, so I did buy some protein powder, and then this is just a container for the protein powder. So this is plant-based protein, no GMO, gluten-free, no preservatives, no artificial sweeteners, and low FODMAP. So this is called Core Strength, and this has 3 grams of carbs and 20 grams of protein. And they're all about keeping the environment safe. It's our mission to get their vitamins. They help feel great from the inside out to support you in reaching your goals. We're here with science. We have a couple more things inside. Pamphlet that says trust your gut, and it says gut health. So then they have our invoice. Results or on your way. Congratulations on taking a step towards inside out wellness. We can't wait to celebrate your results. Let's get started. So these are just the perks for the VIP members. You get 25% or more off with plans and bundles. You earn rewards, you get free samples, you get free RD access, one-on-one expert advice, you get early access to new products, and you get refer and earn up to 200 points per customer per friend. So they also have an app that you can utilize, and you can send a message from your account dash to get personalized, tell you how long the stuff in when you will just give you instructions on how to use everything that you got in your bundle.